Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Miss Rakhi Puri, headmistress of Delhi Public School, Amritsar, shared her positive experience at the summit. She highlighted the value of integrating cultural resources into education, suggesting that practical experiences in Amritsar's historic streets can enhance students' understanding of history. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what Miss Rakhi Puri had to say.
We have with us a very special guest. She is Miss Rakhi Puri, headmistress of Delhi Public School, Amritsar. Welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's your experience being here?
Yeah, it is a wonderful experience being with so many learned people around and then knowing about so many things. It was like eye opening for me, and I don't feel like going back because so much of things we are getting in and connecting because what all is the problem nowadays, what we are facing as an educator. This is what they are discussing about, and wonderful show, wonderful people around. Thank you.
Right. So today we are talking about the cultural diversity, how to include in the classrooms and curriculum. And India is a land of culture and heritage. So how do you think we can utilize the cultural resources and the community in the classroom for a better learning experience for the students?
As we are all in Amritsar right now, and I feel that Amritsar is a golden city, and Amritsar is a land of, I could say, saints. If you talk about mythology, and then if you talk about freedom fighters, and if you talk about gurus, so we have so much of rich culture here where we don't need any kind of a books or a building. We should go on the streets where each street is named after, some of the persons, those who have done really well during their freedom fighting time, and at the time of independence. And if you talk about, all type of saints, those who came here, and students learn a lot what all Bartan Bazaar and all those things are here, all completely traditional, connecting each and every individual with the roots. So I feel this is the right place where history has to be taught through practical way, and to when students will go around in the different streets and lanes, they know much more what all is written in the book. Yeah.
On the contrary, digital is also taking over the education system. So how do you think the adoption of digital learning tools and platforms have helped in transforming the education landscape of India?
So, ma'am, nowadays, those students who are born in this era, maybe the 21st century students, I could say they are natives to the technology. They know much more what immigrants or maybe migrants like we people, we are migrants, and we feel like we have to learn digital system, but they are already the natives, they know everything about it. What ma'am said during the session, that what all they think they know is just an information, then they have to process it, then it will become knowledge, and once the knowledge is adopted, things are very subtle and they get a substance out of it.
Right, absolutely, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your views, and we are delighted to have you here.
So nice. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 8534845670 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp for updates on the EduLeaders show, featuring inspiring interviews from the education sector.